Today, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter error 215 quickly and safely. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but in most cases, it's caused by an issue with your device settings, browser data, VPN, or network connection. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few simple steps without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get straight into it. First, check whether your system time and date are correct. An incorrect clock on your device can cause login and connection problems, so make sure the time, date, and time zone are all set properly. If they're wrong, update them and try logging in again. Next, clear your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. Choose cookies and cached files, then clear them. Once that's done, close your browser completely and open x.com again to test if the error is gone. If you're still seeing error 215, the next thing to do is disable your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes trigger security checks or block normal access to x.com, so turn it off completely and try again without it. If the problem still continues, switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If you were already using mobile data, do the opposite and connect through Wi-Fi. Sometimes the error is caused by the network itself, and changing connections can fix it immediately. After each step, go back and try signing in again so you can see which fix worked. In many cases, one of these simple changes will resolve the issue right away. So to recap, make sure your system time and date are correct. Clear your cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Disable any VPN and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If this video helped you fix x.com error 215, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.